there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play the piano chords that run through Holy by Justin Bieber, which features Chance the Rapper. So it's basically the same chord progression all the way through with minor differences here and there. So we'll go through every section today. I will attempt to sing each section, but I'm not going to rap. So this one is in the key of G flat major. I've decided to do it in flats. So the notes of the scale are on the screen now. So the chords are basically formed using those notes. Here is middle C for reference. So if you locate that pitch on your keyboard or piano, the lowest note you'll need is a B. The highest note is this E flat. So I'm going to teach you the chord progression now. So I'll teach it both hands together. So blue, orange. As usual, I am specific as possible about the voicings of the chords so it sounds as much like what's on the track as possible. So the first chord, you're going to play a G flat in the left hand. In the right hand, you're going to play second inversion of G flat major. So that's D flat, G flat, and B flat. So you need to get your hands up the keys because we're playing a lot of black notes. The second chord is a D flat major over F. So it's D flat major first inversion in the right hand, so it's F, A flat and D flat, and with that you're going to play an F in the left hand, so it's a split chord. So the timing goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. The next chord makes an E flat minor 7, so it's an E flat in the left hand, and in the right hand you're effectively going to play a G flat major chord, so it's G flat, B flat and D flat, and again it makes an E flat minor 7 chord. And then the last chord, so this chord is technically called a C flat. In the key of a G flat major scale, the C is flattened, so white notes can be sharpened and flattened as well, not just the black keys. When you flatten a note, you simply make it a semitone lower. When you sharpen a note, you simply make it a semitone higher. So it's like a B major chord, so first inversion, so like D sharp, F sharp and B, with B in the left hand, but I'm going to call it a C flat. It's going to be called a C flat chord. So C flat, E flat, G flat, and C flat. You do that intro once. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then you continue that 3 more times for the verse. And there's a little extra chord at the end of that. So I'm just going to demonstrate this verse now. I hear a lot about sinners. I don't think that I'll be a saint. I might go down to the river. And then off. 'Cause the way that the sky opens up when we touch here is making me say. So there we've got that C flat chord again, but with a D flat in the left hand, so it's a split chord. 'Cause the way that the sky opens up when we touch here is making me say that the way you hold me, hold me. So now we're into the chorus. Hi there, just quickly before we continue, if you are enjoying the video so far, please consider hitting that like button and say hi in the comments section below. If you're brand new here, please consider subscribing, you know where the button is, and make sure to hit that notifications bell so you're notified every time I upload a new tutorial and you can be the first to learn. I've left a load of playlists in the description as well to get you started. I hope you enjoy the rest of the tutorial and let's continue. So there's some slight variations. G flat major is now being played in root position. So like that. The timing is the same. And the D flat over F the same way. And then we have the E flat minor 7. And then, this is optional, but it's actually this chord the C flat chord is actually C flat add 9, which is you add a D flat in there at the top. So it would mean playing those 4 notes, but you don't have to do that, and you can just stick to doing that if you want to. You do that throughout the whole of the chorus. The way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me. It feels so holy, 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 holy. Oh God, we're running to the altar like a track star. Can't wait another second, 'cause the way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, feels so holy. Then into the second verse, which you're going to play like the first one. I don't do well with the drama. And then if you want to, you can add this funny little thing that's happening in the bass. So it goes D flat, E flat, G flat, A flat, into the G flat chord. So I'll just do that again. I don't do well with the drama. Give me life, baby. And then this chord again. I can't explain the way you. So now we have this. So you can just play it in the right hand if you want, but both hands are being used. So it's D flat, E flat, G flat. So from but the way that we love in the night, give me life, baby. I can't explain, and that the way you. Then into the chorus. Hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me. Does it again? It feels so holy, 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 holy. Oh God, we're running to the altar like a track star. Can't wait another second, 'cause the way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, feels so holy. And you can repeat the chords, you know, again in however rhythm you want to, and then it's into the bridge. So it's the same chords as the chorus. They say we're too young and the pimps and the players say don't go crushing. Wise men say fools rushing, but I don't know. They say we're too young and the pimps and the players say don't go crushing. Wise men say fools rushing. When we touch you, it's making me say that the way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me. It feels so holy, 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 holy. Oh God, running to the altar like a track star. Can't wait another second, 'cause the way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, feels so holy. I then it's chance the rapper's bit. So basically you're going to play the verse bit 10 times. So I'm not going to rap it, but you would repeat that 10 times. And at the end we've got this. But this time I've noticed that it's been in a different, the right hand is in a different inversion. So it's just G flat, C flat and E flat, still with D flat in the bass. Then we've got this bit again, because away you. And then we've got these higher notes. So I'm going to teach you this bit now. So it's still the same, very similar chords. So we've got that G flat major chord, how we play it in the verse, but much higher. And then D flat major root position over F. And then we have E flat minor, but without the 7 this time. So that's B flat, E flat, and G flat. And then C flat major, or B flat major root position as well. So let's do that again. 'Cause the way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, feels so holy, holy. So there, you play the chord, and then you play a D flat, E flat, before it goes into the D flat over F. Then E flat minor, C flat major. So I'll just do all that again. 'Cause the way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, feels so holy, 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 holy. Oh God. And then you play the chorus, chord progression, down here, another 3 times. Oh God, I ran into the altar like a track star. Can't wait another second. Oh God, come running to the altar like a track star. Can't wait another second. Oh God, I ran into the altar like a track star. Can't wait another second. 'Cause the way you. And then it's up here again to this bit. 'Cause the way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, feels so holy. And then you come off there. So it ends on that E flat minor. So I'll just do that whole outro bit again. So after Chance the Rapper's bit. 'Cause the way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, feels so holy, 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 holy. Oh God, running to the altar like a track star. Can't wait another second. Oh God, I'm running through the altar like a track star. Can't wait another second. Oh God, I'm running to the altar like a track star. Can't wait another second. 'Cause the way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, feels so holy. So that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and that it's useful. If you'd like to leave a piano tutorial request, you need to click on this video, which takes you through to my official request space. You do need to be subscribed. All requests are noted and considered, so I look forward to seeing you over there.